Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today. I am back with the second video of the day, and this is the winner announcement for my April-May Subbie challenge. I'm sorry it is going up late, but because of last week, I just have been playing catch up basically. So this is the prize. Let me zoom in. This is what you will win, the winner, and thank you to everyone that joined in, and I'll show you in a minute how many entries I've given you all. I just wanted to quickly show you. Be careful, Charles, because I need to get through this. No, be good. Right, okay, so let me just whiz through these. So we have some gorgeous lace in white and cream. We have some love cards here, and like envelopes, a sticker book, love hearts and lots of love things, some bling, a handmade pocket with loads of ephemera in, another handmade pocket, a little handmade booklet, some pearls and hearts, some vintage stamps, lots of vintage photos. Look, there's a bride there, isn't that gorgeous? So lots of vintage photos, some Project Life wedding cards. There's a whole stack of those. We've got a stamp set, some cards, blank cards. Oops, let's move these there. Then we have lots of blue lace because we had something blue. It's all very wedding themed. Lots of blue things, blue fabric, some flowers. Some little flowers there, some more flowers. So this is the prize. I'm being quick because I've got the number generator up on my tablet and my battery is very low. Now we had 5 entries, and I have added a few more points on to everyone. So I think I did the points and I've added another 10 entries because I went through the videos as to what everyone sent, and I thought it was only fair to give these points. So Thurid, she's got 30 entries. Judith had oh gosh, I haven't got it worked out here. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110 and 20. She had 80 because she had 70. I did 10 on. Pinky had 60, I believe. Claire Sykes had 100, so I added 10 on. And Joanne, I gave 130 to Joanne so those are everyone's entries. So I've given you the numbers 1 to 30, 31 to 121, 122 to 182, 183 to 203, 204 to 334. So those are the entries, and I'm just going to put in here from 1 to 334. And if you can see here, we are going to press the button. Good luck everyone. Thank you so much for all of the things, the wonderful things that you've sent in, above and beyond what I could have imagined that you would send. So good luck everyone, fingers crossed. Here we go. And the winner is 200. And that is Claire Sykes. So well done, Claire. You have won all of these wonderful goodies. Thank you to everybody that took part. It has been super exciting. I've got lots and lots of great things for my wedding journal for when I get back from my honeymoon. I cannot wait, because that is why I wanted these things, so that I can make a wonderful journal with all of these goodies. I will get these in a jiffy bag and get these posted to you, Claire. I do believe I have your address already. So well done, and well done everybody. And I shall see you all very, very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.